rivers, lakes, and tap water in Bangladesh, contaminated with toxic, forever chemicals linked to health issues. A recent investigation in Bangladesh, a significant global fashion manufacturing center, has revealed alarming levels of hazardous, forever chemicals in rivers, lakes, and tap water near garment factories. These chemicals, known as per- and polyfluoroalkyl substances, PFAS, have been linked to severe health concerns. The study, the first of its kind in Bangladesh, analyzed 27 water samples collected near textile factories in the capital, Dhaka. The results indicated PFAS levels far exceeding regulatory limits established in the European Union, EU, and the United States, US. Additionally, several samples contained globally banned chemicals. PFAS encompass a group of approximately 10,000 chemicals associated with a range of serious illnesses, including certain cancers. Since the 1950s, they have been extensively used in manufacturing and incorporated into consumer products. Their resistance to degradation has earned them the moniker forever chemicals, as they can persist in the environment for centuries after being discarded. The textile industry is responsible for approximately 50% of global PFAS consumption. Bangladesh's position as a textile manufacturing hub exposes its residents to increased risks from toxic chemical emissions, stated Siddiqa Sultana, Executive Director of Environment and Social Development Organization, ESDO, in Bangladesh. The fashion export industry cannot be exempt from contaminating our water sources with PFAS. Under the Stockholm Convention, which Bangladesh has signed, certain PFAS have been globally banned, while others are under review. This international treaty seeks to safeguard human health and the environment from the adverse effects of persistent organic pollutants. The study's findings indicate that 67% of the 27 samples with PFAS contained one or more banned chemicals. Elevated levels were prevalent near textile factories, suggesting the industry's potential as a significant source of water contamination. Water samples collected downstream from large factories in 2022 exhibited higher PFAS levels than those collected upstream. The highest concentrations of PFAS were detected in the Karnatali River, exceeding the proposed EU limit by more than 300 times. The sample contained significant amounts of two banned PFAS, perfluorooctanoic acid, PFOA, and perfluorooctane sulfonate, PFOS, which were over 1,700 times and 54,000 times higher, respectively, than Dutch advisory limits. Due to Bangladesh's compact size and dense population, water bodies serve as critical sources for irrigation, agriculture, industrial development, and drinking water, said Shahryar Hossain, a lead author of the study. The contamination of water with highly toxic chemicals poses a major concern that demands attention. Bangladesh's commitment to the Stockholm Convention obligates it to regulate PFAS, Hossain added. In light of these findings, experts emphasize the urgent need for regulatory measures to address PFAS contamination in Bangladesh. Stricter regulations, monitoring programs, and public awareness campaigns are essential to protect public health and the environment from the harmful effects of these persistent chemicals.